If this blew your mind, you're just getting started.
The 12-piece bucket is our special today.
Yeah.
It comes with the large sides and biscuits.
Oh, perfect. We will take that one then. Chicken ever.
If this blew your mind, you're just getting started.
Shipment 7 Gamma is secure. Rerouting excess pallets to auxiliary.
The flow rate looks optimized on table 3.
Yes, the pneumatic injectors are running smoothly.
Unit 4, confirm load Manifest 7B.
Manifest 7B confirmed. Dispatch. Loading complete.
If this blew your mind, you're just getting started.
Utilizing state-of-the-art automation, we ensure every cut of chicken meets the strict KFC requirements before moving to the seasoning stage.
Calipers read 8.2.
Noted. Weight is within tolerance at 250 grams.
Thousands of pounds of chicken move through these massive drums, ensuring every piece is coated in the Colonel's secret spices.
Freshly made, golden, and so unbelievably crispy. Only from Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Using advanced robotics and AI, we've achieved unprecedented levels of efficiency and precision here at the main hub.
In this state-of-the-art facility, advanced robotic
Fresh delivery straight from the factory.
Looks great. Let's get these stacked quickly.
Is finger licking good?
This is the best chicken I've ever had.
You said it. Pass the drumstick down here.
If this blew your mind, you're just getting started.